Hello students, I have done some of the video of the mathematics, but on the request of some of the students from class ninth, I have today I have decided to make a video of the science subject of class ninth in physics. Now I think that you have got to study some of the chapter, but today I will start a new chapter. Today I will start the very new chapter, very interesting chapter, very practical chapter, work and energy. Now, come on, work and energy. It is very interesting, very pleasant, very meaningful chapter. Before starting the term of work and energy, before work, we will learn, you have also got a study about the force. Work is directly related to term of the force. As force in the, you have got the study that pulling, simple definition, pulling or pushing, that is called force. But some modified definition of force, I am writing here that the physical factors which which is applied on anybody and tries to displace the point of application. That is the force. Obviously I know that suppose it is a body, and when we apply the force, our intention is, my intention is to change the position of the body. The change, suppose here is a body, we apply here a force. By the applying the force, we push the object. So we push the object. So there creates two conditions. Either this object, after application of the force, goes from A to B. To B. So when we apply the force, the object is at A. We apply the force, our intention is to change the position of the body. It means the when the change the position of the body, so there creates two conditions. Either the object comes from A to B, otherwise the object remains at point A. So when object remains at point A, force is, it is said that force is applied. When object comes from A to B, there is also the condition that we will apply the force. Force is said to be applied. But when the position of the object changes, it comes from A to B, then I say that work is done. It means our intention to apply the force is to change the position of the body. So when the force is applied, the position of the body is changed. It is said the work is said to be done. Therefore, now That was the force factor. For the terms of the work done, we will got a study on four factor. We will focus to study chapter work and energy on four chapter for the work. First, we will get the detail about the work. In this work, we will get a study first definition of work, second factors, third unit, fourth work done against gravity, five work done when force is applied obliquely. Now, students, these are the factors we will discuss on this five term. Then work is finished. Very simple. So now come to know to understand about for the definition of the work. Yes, guys, for the definition of the work. This is the topic. There are also two definitions of the work. First, I told you that when force is applied on anybody, suppose it is the body, we apply the force. So when this is the position of the body, so when we apply the force, that body changes the position. It means that body gets, when we apply the force, it changes the position. It gets the displaced. When displacement is done, when point of application is changed, work is said to be done. It means first definition, when force is applied on anybody, the point of application gets displaced. Work is said to be done. This is the first. Suppose here is the anybody. This is the body. Point is A. When this body is pushed with magnitude of the force F, then this body gets displaced from point A and comes to point B. Coming from A to B, if there occurs, then we say the work is said to be done. This is the first definition. Also, first definition, second is here. Second definition is, it means it is very easy to understand. This force, certain magnitude of the force, this changing the position from A to B is called displacements. It is also called distance. The product of this force and this displacement is also said the work is to be done. Definition is here the the product the product of magnitude of force and covered distance is said to be done work. This is the work. This is the definition of the work. Students, if you want to get the detail of it, then you go to the channel Global Growth Education. There, in that education, in that channel on YouTube, you will get the detail of the mathematics, also the portion of the physics. Now come to the points. This was the definition. Now the, that is the definition. In the proof, also in it's the detail of the another factor, terminology of the work. I will give the detail about it in the next video. Then one I say to you, subscribe this channel, like it, and share among large number of the students so that they will also get benefited with this knowledge of physics and the science. Okay, thanks students, nice to understand here. Okay.